Deep in the heart of South America, where Venezuela, Guyana, and Brazil converge, rises a mountain so extraordinary it defies the imagination. This is Mount Roraima, a place of timeless beauty, ancient mysteries, and otherworldly landscapes. But what secrets does it hold? Join us as we uncover the enigmatic allure of Mount Roraima. Mount Roraima is part of the Guyana Shield, nestled in the Amazon rainforest at the tri-junction of Venezuela, Guyana, and Brazil. Its highest peak, Maverick Rock, reaches nearly 2,810 meters, or 9,220 feet, above sea level. This isn't just a mountain, it's a natural wonder steeped in legend and mystery. First documented by Sir Walter Raleigh in 1596, Mount Roraima has captured the imagination for centuries. For the indigenous Pemon and Capon people, it's the stump of a giant tree that once bore all the fruits and vegetables in the world. In 1884, British botanist Everard M. Thurn made history as the first European to climb its cliffs, unveiling its wonders to the world. Mount Roraima's flat summit spans over 31 square kilometers, or 12 square miles, often shrouded in mist, creating an illusion of a floating island. This isolated ecosystem is a treasure trove of endemic species, including carnivorous plants like the heliamphora, the Roraima bush toad, and the unique Roraima black frog, which have adapted to this challenging environment. The plant life here is a botanist's dream, with pitcher plants and rare orchids found nowhere else on Earth. Its geology dates back over 2 billion years, making it one of the oldest formations on Earth. The weathering over eons has carved it into surreal shapes, leading some to speculate about ancient civilizations or even extraterrestrial influences. Some theories suggest that the mountain's flat summit could have been used as a landing site for alien spacecraft. The mountain is also rich in quartz crystals, believed by some to possess mystical properties. Visitors often report feeling a powerful energy when touching these crystals, adding to the mountain's enigmatic charm. The native tribes consider these crystals sacred, and they play a role in their spiritual practices. Climbing Mount Roraima is a test of endurance and courage, with steep, slippery paths and unpredictable weather. The journey to the summit typically takes several days, navigating through dense forests, crossing rivers, and scaling rocky terrain. Yet those who reach the top describe an almost supernatural experience, as if stepping into a world untouched by time. There are also tales of strange lights and unexplainable sounds. Hikers have reported mysterious flashes of light and eerie, melodic sounds at night. Are these natural phenomena or signs of something more? Some suggest that these could be remnants of ancient rituals or even portals to other dimensions. But here's the real question. Is Mount Roraima a mere geological wonder, or does it hold secrets that defy our understanding? From its ancient rock formations to its unique flora and unexplained phenomena, Mount Roraima remains one of the most captivating and mysterious places on Earth. What do you think? Could there be truths hidden in its clouds that we have yet to uncover? Whether you're an adventurer seeking new challenges, a nature enthusiast drawn to rare flora and fauna, or a mystery lover intrigued by the unknown, Mount Roraima offers something for everyone. Its sheer cliffs, ancient landscapes, and tantalizing mysteries make it a destination like no other. Imagine standing on the summit surrounded by a sea of clouds, feeling the ancient power of the earth beneath your feet. Thank you for joining us on this journey to Mount Roraima. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more incredible travel destinations and mysteries from around the world. Leave a comment below if you'd like to explore this ancient marvel and let us know what you find most intriguing about Mount Roraima. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.